Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a few ideas of Father's Day gifts from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned. If you like all things Dollar Tree, like hauls, organizing, please check me out and subscribe below. Dollar Tree has so many different kinds of ideas for Father's Day gifts. With the expansion of their craft section, the ideas for gifts have expanded exponentially, especially gifts created by children. Like for many of you, this year our family has undergone a lot of changes, and one of those was turning a guest room into a workout room. Dad, in particular, has been very much into cycling. So we decided to choose some of our favorite quotes that the cycling instructors say all the time and put them on Dollar Tree easels using craft letters. He really likes the simplicity of the black and white, and in order to make them like floating art, I took these frames and glued them to the back before hanging. Another kind of craft uses the poster board glue, electrical tape, and placemats from the Dollar Tree. For years, I've seen people do gym art using shoe boxes, so I decided we could make our own. I bought a frame from Target and really took my time cutting the placemats and boxes to size. The Dollar Tree electrical tape gives a nice clean border to each of the layers. Dollar Tree has so much to choose from: men's body care, workout wipes, and other kinds of toiletries, including these super portable trimmers. There are also so many cool socks, gardening tools, and little items in the auto section that he might like. We chose these specific care items, which seem to fit Dad the best. I found some books he would like. One is an adult spoof of a Dr. Seuss book, and the other is of the Walking Dead storyline. The work light can be used in so many different ways, and I'll put pictures of us and our former dog in this frame before giving to him. We have some bar soaps by Axe and Old Spice, and these tag sprays are a favorite. The items in this travel kit by House of Steel look of great quality, and since Dad gets his hair cut at home, I know he'll appreciate this beard trimmer. Lastly, in our family, no gift for Dad would be complete without his favorite food items from the Dollar Tree. His favorites are anything Reese's and Mrs. Freshley's peanut butter chocolate wafers. We are doing an overhaul on organizing the master closet, so I placed these items into one of the Dollar Tree bins we'll be using. When all is said and done, in my experience, most dads just love anything that comes from the heart. Handmade cards go a long way and can make for great keepsakes. And you don't have to necessarily buy anything. You could take him on a picnic, out for ice cream, or do some things for him like wash his car or take care of the lawn. So please comment below, what are you giving Dad for Father's Day? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.